Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the device. Remove external power and battery for safety. Once done, photograph the keyboard layout so you can restore keys accurately and clear a well-lit workspace. Use a thin pry tool or keycap puller for the first pull, slide under the G key edge, and pull straight up with steady force to avoid switch damage. Make sure to collect any stabilizer clips or screws in a labeled container so nothing gets lost. Once the keycap is off, you'll likely see stabilizers or a mechanical switch. Release the stabilizer clips carefully while noting orientation. This preserves tactile balance. Next, inspect the switch and surrounding area for debris. Use compressed air and a small 0.5 mm brush to remove dust and crumbs. If the switch is soldered, make sure you know whether to desolder. Otherwise, avoid twisting the stem. Pull straight up to protect the switch housing and stabilizer bar. To finish, reseat the stabilizer bar first and align the keycap square over the switch. Press down evenly until it snaps into place so travel and feel remain consistent. Then, test the key for proper actuation, sound, and travel. Use a keyboard tester or simple text editor. If the key is sticky or unresponsive, clean contacts, apply a tiny amount of appropriate lubricant to stabilizers, and inspect solder joints. If issues persist, desolder and inspect the switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.